Creating a pivot table in Excel is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. Step 1. Organize your data. Ensure your data is well organized with a clear header row. Each column should have a unique heading, and each row should represent a record. Second step is: select your data, highlight the range of cells you want to include in the pivot table. Third step is: insert pivot table. Go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on Pivot Table in the Tables group. Fourth step is: create Pivot Table dialog box. In the dialog box that appears, Excel should automatically detect the range of your data. If not, manually select the range. Choose where you want to place your pivot table, either in a new worksheet or an existing one. Fifth step is: design your pivot table. You'll now see a blank grid on your selected worksheet. On the right, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields pane. Drag and drop fields from your data into the rows and values areas in the Pivot Table Fields pane. Sixth step is: customize your pivot table. You can customize your pivot table by dragging fields around, adding more fields, and adjusting summary functions, for example, sum, count, average, for your values. Seventh step: refresh data if needed. If your source data changes, you may need to refresh your pivot table to reflect those changes. Right-click on the pivot table and choose Refresh. Step 8 is: format your pivot table. Now, format your pivot table to make it visually appealing. You can change fonts, colors, and styles to suit your preferences.
Remember, the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your version of Excel. These steps are based on Excel 2016 and later versions.